Everybody, hold on tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy. Meet your favorite celebrity. Fun time is the happy hour. Everybody, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Chop no cool with Chriso. Original Thunder Show, yeah. Chop no cool with Chriso. Make you see that, make you hear how they go, nah. Chop no cool with Chriso. Original Thunder Show, yeah. Chop no cool with Chriso. Make you see that, make you hear how they go, nah. Oh yeah, mama, papa, make you hear how they go. Brother, sister, make you see how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you hear how they go. Chop no cool with Chriso. Original Thunder Show. Chop no cool with Chriso. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go, no.
My name is Usman Chikude Linchong. Ekpenyong Balogun Lali Pusha Onobio were good luck Godwin aka Sylvanos and you see, as a matter of they say the time mosquito somersault when Tyree she goes somersault, and they say mosquitoes when he pass the clap for him. You know why? Na kill them one killer. I did the program Sharp Knuckle because I want to tell you now. You normally in this Lagos I no without a sharp knuckle, we Bluetooth the knuckle, we do the knuckle anyhow. But I make it for no loss. They say go to a strong first market and say no buyer because normally when we talk the proverb, we had to hit the whole matter. But you see, I did for Sharp Knuckle with Chriso. I want enter market, but hold on first before I enter the market because I want to talk one particular thing. You know, normally for Lagos, I go to the shop. Wo and Yoruba sọ̀rọ̀ gbòwe tó bá bọ̀ lẹ́ni parí lọ́wọ́ lẹ́sí jáde tí ó lè ṣókè nítorí pé Yorùbá ń bẹ̀ dé their matter and kí hàn àpọ̀ this thing ń bẹ̀ and ngbàtí mo lọ but since Chop Knuckle with Chriso mo ń lọ sọ́jà máa padà wá I will come back and sọ́kwa ní Igbo because Igbo man you know what it means. Pidgin English is like Sharp Knuckle with Chriso. Then when we enter market, when we come back, we will talk the matter finish. Because as we go, make it for no loss.
Okay, my people, I make Chop Knuckle. Make person funny. Come like say they break alligator. As Yoruba call who fall on he break the alligator. Yoruba people say one man for Yoruba he say Paul gbe ibekpe alagbaju kan si wa. And that person go say no, you know right time when they say Paul gbe ibekpe alagbaju kan si wa. Translation be say Paul, the first man say Prophet Paul don't live there for a long time. But another man when we say na Jew did there. But when you come translate him again, you can say Paul harvest pawpaw. Then one elderly person come through give us.
Yoruba proof about it, but you know.
It plenty.
Because it's long Benson. Now you are talking about Yoruba sọ̀rọ̀ gbòwe. Tó bá bọ́lẹ̀ ní pàdé lọ́wọ́ sí charge yóò lè ṣèké. Ọmọ bọ́ntì ń gbà tí
wọ́n
ní àgbẹ̀ kì í sí lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́. Because ọmọ tuntun tó rí ẹ̀ wọ́. Ebi lọ́pọ̀ àgbà wọn. Nítorí ọmọ tuntun go wọ́.
My people, I don't die for here. Person will get today, our guest. If you don't notice, we don't do now who he be because now Oliver now introduce the program for today and that on a special intro from our special guest. We don't need to do now who he be. We skip that bit. We can give us that special intro when he give us. Oliver, Sylvanos, Linchong, different names. Ekpenyong. How you get all this array of names as you they call them?
You know, so I tell you, so I start with Dr. Olivia John Norman, late Dr. Olivia. When I start, I answer Usman Chikude Balogun based on how they represent Nigeria. So as I come they go say, why you get these three names, you don't get their own. When I do something for China, they give me Linchong. When I go Akwa Ibom, they give me Ekpenyong. When I live at Akwa Ibom, Congo Isoko. Oh, they can't give me Onoviowe. You know the meaning of Onoviowe?
Tell me.
Who sent you?
Oh, Onoviowe.
Onoviowe. I said this so come. You hear? Hey, we ke baba mero. Hey, oseme. Uzume Beno, you know. Now Isoko can speak so now. For those who understand Isoko, because I go learn small thing. Then when they can't leave that side, they can't give me in their own Lalipusha.
You let me down. For like, you mean you're trying to tell me your Indian name is not Lalipushan?
Lalipushan, you know, when I was asking, what is the meaning of Lalipushan?
Yes.
They said Lalipushan was a very popular man. He was a prime minister, and then he was very popular. So everybody went to know him. So that's why they call him Lalipushan. So they will give me the name.
Lalipushan.
I collected the name. So like that. And like that, I can't get another one, Sylvan also.
Oh! Yeah, I know
Even the Jamaicans give me name.
Yes, man. What do you want, you know?
Rasta real say little beans fall gunshot means so I saw my selector not be a contest because anyone contest out there then buried.
Booba Club man, you know. What do you hear?
But I let them know.
Yes, man.
With the regional man because my chop knuckle.
Chop knuckle, yeah, man.
What the man them call?
I've seen the whole, you know.
Boy, what the man them call?
Boy.
Not be a contest in the program, you know.
Not a contest now, you know. Because with the original Bomber Club.
Yes, man. You know what I'm saying? Them lock up the whole airwaves. So because we all them lock them down. Put up on the key.
Yes, man. We're not there for you. Oh, sorry, I'm not over verse. Now, picture with this. We don't be faster. We still here with Chaptable Crusoe, and our guest today. Now, person get plenty names, but we just give her only 3 names. And the 3 names we won't give her now: Oliver, Ling Chong, and Sylvanus. We want to go small market. We want to come back. We'll continue with Oliver and Chris for Chop Knuckle with Crusoe. Put on here. Back up. Buckles with the call.
My name is Anne. Chop Knuckle with Crusoe.
My name is Ifeanyi Akogo, Boniface on Battleground. Make una dey watch Chop Knuckle with Crusoe. Na the ogbonge #1 talk show on TV. No miss am. Stay glued.
Them call us pirates.
Yes, man.
Them call us illegal broadcaster. Just because we might run things with Chris Chop Knuckle in the program, like, and tell them now, we go run things now from the Lagos Central. You get us to business and not sing again.
You try. My people will sit there with the #1 crazy comedian when they come for here. In them now Ling Chong, Sylvanus, yes. My brother, you don't tell us they get different names. Me could come and ask you. You say your talents don't get part 2. They catapult my head. How you take manage to get this comedy thing inside your blood? #1. Now what you nurture, as in say you go school for them. I mean what you come natural.
Na natural and na God. And that time, you know, see those days when we watch TV, we just see somebody they do something, we can't they look calm. I can't say make I begin to cram this thing. I can't they do them. I can't cram am, I go look calm, I go keep quiet. I can't get till I can't get one Chinese friend.
Hey!
Now that Chinese friend, when they give me Chinese name, Ling Chong.
Ling Chong.
So I asked them what be the meaning of Ling Chong. They said Ling Chong na blessing. So now from there I can learn Neoma, open, see like my thing teacher or my thing teacher white, my son so take some man to
knuckle.
See now copy, see then. Say man don't teach you lo. 我俾人知咪同事就兩個人都事實上我已經知咗啦，咪用多，我聽到我先呢。Chop Knuckle， Crusoe， 正式上面talk過俾人咗，正上咪正式上擺燈，試兩個，
你係嘛？
你好嘛
？Okay, my people， 先讓你聽講哦 ，no sorry，
醒咪通過
，get confused me too much。
醒。
Maybe we take a quick break before you let me bite my tongue. When we come back, we'll continue with Ling Chong on top Chop Knuckle with Crusoe.
Yes.
Okay, my people, will sit day here with me and my brother Ling Chong, Oliver Sylvanus. I don't want to waste our time too much. I want to go straight to this next one. You always clutches your bag. Waiting, your medicine and waiting.
You know, as a business guy,
yes,
we have a receipt for everything, documentation. And if your container is coming, you don't have the way bill, and the container will enter demurrage. So I have to carry. And in Nigerian currency, we are spending dollars, spending naira. So everything is in this bag. I don't want to disclose it. That's why, as an elder, one boy wanted to put hand inside this bag yesterday. I said, don't try it. You will pay fine. Because why? I'm chief Omezia 1. Yagwatrum 1 of Nigeria. So nobody contest it. So if you put hand in my bag, you have entered the chief bag.
One chance that it doesn't enter.
Bam, I put blade there. And I mean know where the blade there. If you go put
wait, you put blade. That means you don't turn the real boy, Abi. No, this will blade in bag.
Allows Tabalo Chelas. Allow last kind is straight to Thomas. Allows echoes. Feel like back my love, no, Tabalo tell it last one. I'm back with yes, on Chamale one because Martin Lao juice. Well, Sabalo don't want to do why no be okay. Over money, allows, have your over with any concrete. So soft, no cool. So I see, I'm lost.
Man, I mean, everyone lost anywhere. I first time lost on Jazz. About a day. I don't think we speak about. We will come back. We will look a report card for Chop Knuckle with Chris O.
Papisico, Guano. Hey! Papisico, Guano. Hey! Naga Bulos and never back a minute. Why? Yes, they went to women with that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thank you. But this t-shirt no size me.
Hey, Makata, now me they do for.
Yeah. Go sit down. Make I tell you truth. Instead of not give me this award for no chop here again. But because of you, I will chop double so that I will win the next year. And you see this t-shirt, you go give me the money. I can tell you know my size. Onyagu! Baramegu! Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby here. You know, give me one high life, way to eat.
Who be your baby?
Yeah.
Habakabiko.
Hey, where was the cake? Brings the cakes.
Okay, my people, when I say watch Chop Knuckle with Chris, and my guy for today, now my one and only brother, the person when we say head no correct when the correct pass, last I know the correct, now we see no correct at all. So they call Oliver.
Call me stupid, but pay me the money.
My brother, I know say you like me, like when you go to call and say I'm polyglot. You speak different languages. Whether you can make money or you can play. Like what we just see now, we just come back with your report card. How you manage the cope with drama and comedy? And I know say you speak small Calabar language. I mean, Efik as a non-corrector.
No. You know, I can speak Efik.
They speak Efik. They go so.
Okay. Make answer me go. Ibi audio. Master me be first. Then don't need to Efik. Can direct.
Okay.
But I want to speak the English version of this same English that people understand. That's why I like to appreciate them quite people because they are the people that prefer microphone. The original name to microphone, the man who manufacturer is from Akwa. His name is Michael Okun. So you will change it to microphone to intimidate us very bad. That's why sometimes I like singing romantic song like something like for your death. I like to see them just to see it. But I don't let me tell that look at me, I speak English. Bon. Even in no you don't even more and even this way same programming. A program job now with Greece young drunk. But it's called Chop Knuckle. Get Lagos. I want to spell Lagos for you. Lagos. What? Lagos. Yeah, so don't.
Never make who fuck my queer is not for me. Because studio in me. Chop Knuckle. But don't confuse that pitching program. No people speak Efik.
This thing to me is a down about. Are we not going for I then down about down about. If you down about
Everything about is a down
about. I'm going to Aya now. I don't want to talk too much.
Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. We're sitting here for our studio with our current guy Oliver for on top Chop Knuckle with Chriso. We just take small market, smart city market. When we come back, we'll continue with Oliver.
Oh yeah?
When you go. Alright, my people, we're still there here for studio with my personal person, my individual brother, Oliver Lingchong Sylvanos. Yes, I was going to talk too many things because I won't make him tell now too many things about himself when I learn about her. Let me go straight to the point. What you don't do as for your line of work when we say shame catch you or maybe they walk, somebody talk one thing when you know like and the thing just be like, you know, what was say an embarrassing moment? Which one was that one be?
I never remember again because the one you talk now. Nobody, you just make somebody to laugh, and the man never laugh, and they look at you.
They look at you and say, "What's wrong with man?"
I just know the problem the country just very hard. I just lead the whole thing. I get embarrassed because when I need to talk for people to laugh and they never laugh, most embarrassed.
It's painful.
Very painful. I want to cry. You know the president. I tell you the president of Marvin, no. Yeah. The man is Japan. We are like footballer, no.
Yeah, football. Yeah.
Young man.
First and only black man who win the
young man.
What football year?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, my man, the only thing that make get angry, it a young boy in this country now will now get young boy get old man. That's why even India, the Indian people now, they get what they call this thing, snake. None of the snake in Nigeria, it's a Guinness Book of Record. The snake swallow money.
36 billion now.
You know what?
From the office.
My man, you know the snake one got chop no cool. And let me tell you, Charlie, no cool fair back. I wanna let you know that the snake went to do jam. And when he was looking for paper to see for a jam, then he ate the paper. I think the money
was paper, not about money.
Now the 36 million now, 36 million. I think you know the snake eats sunny blood. Maybe the money, blood money now. That's why the whole thing happened like that. That's why I want to go back more. We are tired of the country.
My people, this man don't Christmas here. Don't make everybody Christmas here. It's okay. Normally, would they like to put on AC on the work? But swear they don't keep it for here based on what they talk. Will they come? No, not go anywhere. When I come back, we hear from my brother about it. I'm going to jump up.
I'm copying the chopping of the monkey.
Oh boy. Okay, my people. I get to drink that water. I make her for take cool down from the different things I don't experience for here today. I sit there with my brother Oliver Duke, aka Lingchong, aka Sylvanos. For top of our program, on our Ogbonge program. On our program, we get part 2, our PG talk show for Nigeria.
Yeah.
Chop Knuckle with Chriso. We don't reach close to that semi-final of the end of our program for today.
Yeah.
But before we reach there, we need to ask our brother 3 questions. In fact, 2 questions. Number 1, who be the people we see them be in mentors? Number 1, and then number 2 question be. If he no be actor, he no be comedian, waiting him for the do. And then the last one, all those people when we say we call our Android children, make you give them piece of advice as Lingchong and as say a senior man for the comedy business for Nigeria. So Lingchong, if you no be comedian, what do you for the do?
Spare part, I'm mechanic.
If you say spare parts,
I'm mechanic.
And you mechanic?
Yeah, 2 of them. You can just get the workshop, they do the 2 together.
They go together.
Because I like motor. So now automobile in my mind. Even if I come myself.
What did I want to ask again be who you would say be your mentor for this business?
Mentor? I tell you God Almighty first. That be my mentor. That they mentor me. Well, I would say somebody who inspired me those days was late Junior and Pretty.
Junior and Pretty,
yeah. Junior was my...
Okay, Chukwa Azike.
Yeah. So these are the people, you know, sometimes, you know, when I see them like that, I go just ginger.
Yeah.
And sometimes, you know, Basot Diamond.
Yeah,
Basot Junior, yeah. I talk about them because, you know, people, they, you know, not only few people be my friends, as in, if it comes to something, we go just, okay, I feel like, okay, let this guy go. I like to learn. Because as I did so, I just believe, say, I could learn from every side, and anybody who's willing to teach me. Even as I did now, I like to learn more things, more language, because the language I target now Spanish. That's what? Spanish, and then maybe Greek, and then I just do Greek, and then French. I hear and small.
Boom. When we come back, we'll end the program finally. We sit here with our brother Chop Knuckle with Rizzo, and our special guest today, Sylvanus Lingchong Oliver. Okay, my people, we sit there for Chop Knuckle with Rizzo, and my special brother guests right on our show today, comedian, actor, now the one and only Oliver.
You know, tell us how they do MC join. I did do MC join.
But you do MC, you came in case you need that, you do MC. In an actor, in a comedian, in the MC, in the anchor, in the compare. Anyway, we bring money in the drum as long as it is legal.
I dey sell spare parts.
It sell spare parts. So
I dey sell motor.
If you know for comedy line, it is sell motor.
I dey sell motor.
Legitimate motor you sell.
Motor authentic. No be say go come back. Even house self, I dey sell.
Anything when be business in the drum.
That's why you see me carry this bag. I have documents and
the scenes. Okay, my people, if we stay with this man, we don't go home today. As usual as we do for our show, we get gifts, and when we give our people when they don't come to our show to say then thank you, say you not come, so that when they go, they will remember us, and they will remember say yes, today self, then come our place, and we'll give them something to go home. Bros, we'll give you this one. Say thank you, say you come our show. I mean, put that here.
Thank you for the hospital.
Hospitality.
Hospital.
Okay, now please this speak.
Thank you for the hospital, so I go retaliate now.
You want to put in hospital?
No, I go retaliate.
No retaliate. I beg I say the collector, so look at that camera, maybe throw advice give our people.
My advice to everybody is whatever you are doing, do it well, and don't look at anybody. Just put your head straight, be determined, love what you are doing. If you get the passion, forget money go come. That's how I want to tell you now. Because when I not do shortcut, there's no shortcut in life. If you shortcut, you go short die. So I just tell you now, if you want to be disciplined, look for a military man. And then they discipline people. Because if soldiers slap you, my brother, police will be your friend. That's discipline. Not only then they discipline anybody. Even if they do you frog jumps, you go confused. So I'm advising you, in order to make you not take police slap, I be soldier slap. Do what you are doing with passion. So as me, Chop Knuckle, with the sweat, everything with the sweat.
Thank you very much. My people, I think they here, I think talk and so not be every time person is feel so very comfortable. Small sweat don't they come out. But then the work, that they should say if you don't sweat, you know.
That's why it's called workshop.
Now we call it workshop. When I don't go far, when I come back, go clean my face, I arrange myself, drink my water, I will come back, come conclude the show. On top, Chop Knuckle with Rizzo. Klaka! Okay, my people, now welcome back. Unfortunately, if not fortunate, I will call her, but we don't come to the end of yet another program. On our program, what would you call Chop Knuckle with Rizzo? My name is still be Chris Inhiwa, and today our guest now, that's crazy comedian, anchor, compare, small-time musician, but mostly actor. His name is Lingchong, aka Sylvanus, but the proper name is Oliver Duke. We say thank you, my brother. Say you come jolly with us today for our program, and we'll go see very, very soon. If you get anything to tell us, send a message or anything you wanna get to reach out to us. Don't forget say our Instagram handle now we call @Chop Knuckle with Rizzo. Until next week, when we go see you again. When are this strong? Hold ourselves strong. Keep Nigeria strong. Be Nigeria large. Don't be need Louis Latin low. Nigeria now our home. I must do better for them. As King Sonny had it talk some years ago. My people, when I hold ourselves well, when I do.
Everybody, hold on tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy with your favorite celebrity. Fun time is the happy hour. Everybody, oh yeah, oh. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, original Thunder Show. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, make you sit down, make you hear how they go, nah. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, original Thunder Show. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, make you sit down, make you hear how they go. Oh yeah, mama, papa, make you hear how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you yeah, they go. Oh, tell your brother me they come watch. Tell your sister me they come watch. Oh yeah, tell your neighbor me they come watch. Everybody, oh yeah, oh. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you yeah, they go na na. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you yeah, they go na na. Oh, chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you yeah, they go na na.